manene iyona into eniholela wena.
Ungixolele captain ukuthi umuntu usewaba addicted. Angithi manje ngeviki eliphelile umuntu usewangena idust la emaphasheni. Manje lo mqulu kusungisizile sengiyazi ukuthi ngiphethwe lesifo kuthiwa immunoatramicroscopic silicovolcanoconiosis.
Alright, Sanman, and hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So, Nkosi Mthembu's acting and radio career is hanging by a thread after he lost his voice. The actor who plays a cop Nyawo on Uzalo lost his voice at the beginning of this month, which has affected his work. He also works as a DJ at a community radio station, Vibe FM, but since he lost his voice, he has been off air. Now, through WhatsApp, Xebo said he has tried everything to regain his voice, but nothing seems to work. He said, and I quote, "I was diagnosed with COVID-19 at the beginning of this year. My father was too. He died on 3rd January 2021. After my self-isolation, I was cleared of COVID, so I went back to work, but my voice disappeared this month. I went back to consult a doctor, but he gave me something for COVID. I have tried drinking honey and vitamin C supplements, but nothing is working," said Xebo. He said as Uzalo is about to shoot for season 7, he has learned that he has so many scenes, but he's worried he's not going to make it. Now, he said he is sad and worried because this is putting his career on the line, and the community radio presenters like myself hope that big radio stations would hire them for their new changes. But honestly, which radio station could hire someone who is voiceless? I'm scared. I don't know what to do now. My voice is everything. Now that I have lost it, I feel like I'm losing everything, said Xebo. Now, there you have it, Mzansi. Do let me know what you think in the comment section below. Now, of course, we wish him a speedy recovery. May he regain his voice very fast before they start shooting Uzalo, or even worse, before he starts losing his career. Do let me know what you think in the comment section below, guys. If you did enjoy this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. As for me, I'm signing out. I'll see you next time.